natalo. Kung binagsak mo na lang yun, eh di sana naka 3 star na ako. I had a wife. We got divorced after she cheated on me. Oh, sorry to hear that. You have kids. You have a kids. Tinatamad ako. Antok na ako. Antok ka na. Kaya pala. Kala ko di ka makapag-move on sa 800. Eh di sana naka 3 star ako. Sayang. It's okay. I also have a son. He is fine. 5 years old. I think you have some like 31 years old or 30. So you don't have plans to find another girl? Yes, for the future? Or you have a traumatic? You find Filipina. You know the Philippines, then you find. You go in the Philippines, but the place is Angeles City. Then you go in the Red Street. Yes, I would like that, but I let everything unnatural. Oh. Wala ka bang work bukas, Zaldi? Randy, hello. Hi, Natsu. Wow. You are 38, right? 36. 36. You need to meron. Anong oras? You need to find. When I'm 30 plus, I know the right person for me is out there somewhere. I will find some. Bakit save mo ba oras ko dyan? Anong save? Oo, isa-save ko. Sige. Para kapag dumadaan ka, di na ka. Hi, JC.